Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put a Honda Passport in neutral with a dead battery. This is crucial for moving your vehicle if it loses power. Unlike some older models, newer Passports with electronic shifters often require a specific procedure involving the transmission itself. We'll guide you through the steps to safely prepare your vehicle for towing or a battery charge. Modern Honda Passports use an electronic push-button shifter, which relies on battery power to operate. When your battery is dead, this system won't engage, leaving your vehicle stuck in park. There isn't a simple manual override button inside the cabin like you might find in other cars, making this a unique challenge for Passport owners. To put your Passport in neutral, you'll need to access the transmission directly. This mechanism is typically found in the engine bay, on the driver's side of the transmission. Honda offers a specific tool for this, but some owners have successfully used a crescent wrench or similar tool to engage the release. Be sure to exercise caution. Once you've located the release, you'll need to turn or depress it to shift the transmission into neutral. This mechanism is often spring-loaded, meaning it will try to return to its original position, so you may need to secure it. After confirming neutral, your Passport is ready for flatbed towing or a jump start to restore power to the system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.